I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Gemma 431B on Windows operating system. So first here, if I go into this command prompt and if I write there Ollama, then if I go on this chat models, there you cannot see Gemma 431B. So what we need to do? So in Google search box, write there Ollama, then go on this ollama.com site. There, let's search Gmail for, then select this. There, you need to scroll down. Gmail for 31 is there. Let's click this. And with the help of this command, you can do there download Gmail for locally on your system. So let's use this command. Ollama run Gmail for 31. Press enter. So this here pulling manifest. And for this one, net must be connected because this will do some download operation. Download the files of Gmail for 31B. So now you can see, this is downloading. Total size 90 GB. So by using this, you can download the files and after that, use this locally. Or if you want to get the cloud-based, just scroll down. Then you can also get this cloud command. So let's copy this one. So this is for locally. And if you want to get the cloud command, so you need to paste this one. Ollama run Gmail for 31B cloud. Press enter and wait for few second times. So now you can see connecting Gmail for 31B. Let's test with hi. So this returning so quickly. Now this is still downloading and there is not displaying Geo4. So now here, if I open the command prompt again, right there Ollama, and if you go with chat with model, so you can see Geo4 31B. This time that's appear there. Okay, so this is how we can get this cloud, and for this one, this will take some time to complete this download. Okay, so after that, here some manifest and some operation that will go on, then you can directly use the GR4 31B on your system. So this is how we can do the installation of GR4 31B on Windows. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.